supercharge your online business without
absolutely no money.
You could have zero money right now, zero cash, zero money in the bank. Maybe you have a little credit card somewhere and it doesn't even have any money left in it. Well, there is hope for you. That is exactly how we started our business.
It's absolutely free. It takes a bit of creativity and understanding.
Putting in the work as far as showing up consistently, doing the little things that we shared in this tutorial, nothing will happen, no results will take place, no clients will come if there's no activity being done, if there's no work being put out that's consistent enough.